Good morning. It is Tuesday, March 15th. I did not check in with you guys last night. The last thing I showed was our pizza for Pi Day, since yesterday was March 14th. We ended up getting Giuseppe's pizza, but we ended up playing a couple rounds of Uno. Josh and Abel won, and then we played a round of Mario Kart and Tom won. And then I wanted to go to bed because it was a long day of relaxation and walking around and shopping. But this morning we're up pretty early. It's almost 8 because we are going to go to the National Audubon Park, and there is a bird watching class from 8:30 to 9:30. And Abel brought his binoculars. He is super excited. So just the boys and I are going. Mom is staying back and sleeping in a little bit. But then we're going to swing by and pick her up and go to a pancake place that was recommended by the manager at Tio's. It's called Stacks. So we're hoping that we can get in. We're hoping it's not going to be too busy since it's Tuesday morning. But that's kind of the plan right now. I really just wanted to step out here and enjoy this beautiful weather and enjoy the scenery. So I'll flip around and show you guys what I'm looking at.
What a treat.
The yellow-bellied sapsucker is a woodpecker that drills these holes, and then we'll come back and have the sap and any bugs that get caught in it. She said it's generations of woodpeckers that have done that to this tree. That's so crazy. South Carolina state tree. Something palmetto. I don't remember palmetto. Very cool. The Floridians brought the gator. Look at him.
There's a gator.
Oh my goodness, I love him. He's so cute.
The temperature dropped. I used to go to Sedona.
She said you can tell a live oak story because they grow towards the light. So you can see that this is grown this way. So that's kind of where the light has been. Beautiful.
Pieces and stuff. Over it.
Great. Yeah, but I like eggs and bacon and stuff too.
And they have breakfast bowls, which is good.
What is this called, Mom?
This is the Southern Comfort, so it has eggs and biscuits and gravy and bacon and home fries and chicken strips.
Gosh. I got the Calypso. So it's chocolate and coconut.
I don't know.
Yasha's is coming. Doesn't that look so good? It's so nice. Tom's, I think, got just regular chocolate chip. And then Abel got something. Oh, honey.
Dear me.
Yes, I can hear you. I'll show you Josh's when his comes. Bananas foster pancakes.
I'm waiting on my eggs and stuff. Okay, yeah, no worries.
I already started eating because I'm rude, but it's so good.
That smells so good. Okay, these
Yummy.
are clean. I just use the napkin.
I mean, we could have parked under.
We finished our breakfast at Stacks. We headed back to the resort, to the room, to use the restroom, kind of gather our stuff. And now we crossed the street and are at Disney's beach house. And we're walking up because we've got some time to kill, not kill, but some time to do an activity this afternoon. Our dinner cruise is not until, oh, transportation. Okay, I was like, uh-oh. I don't have a mask with me. Our dinner cruise is at 6, but they recommend you be there an hour early. So we have quite a few hours this afternoon. We decided to check out this private beach.
This is where the pool was.
Okay, guys. This is the long pool.
Okay. Is this the one pool?
Sand.
Of course, I forgot my chanclas, but I should have brought my other chanclas. But I'm okay.
Yeah, I was just gonna walk along. Beautiful.
It is stunning, yeah.
Haven't updated in a while. So we sat along the pool water's edge and got Dole Whips, and I got a snow cone. And then we came back and had lunch. Mom made that club salad that I absolutely love, and we all devoured it. It was so good.
Delicious.
I think it's because it was like 3 and we were hungry. So then we just went and got Starbs. We're gonna be leaving for that dinner cruise in about 45 minutes or so.
Yeah,
So
about 40 minutes. Yeah, it's super close. We're gonna go to that area again.
that Sea Pines area.
Sea Pines, we have to pay $9, so we already paid it, so we're gonna take one car.
Yeah. But the boys are relaxing, and then Abel and I thought we'd just walk around, maybe play some basketball.
Some cornhole.
There's a hammock we can lay in. There, we were gonna do horseshoes, but people walked over there. I think we should do basketball, honey. You like basketball? I'll play with you.
Here, I'll hold the ball.
No, I think we should just put our drinks down and play. You like it? I'll play with you.
You want to go check cornhole?
Whatever you want to do, honey. This has been pretty active all day, so if it's clear, I say we do it.
Well, let's do cornhole. How about you check the cornhole? I'll be right here.
I'm just gonna play basketball with you. Honey, we're back at Harbour Town.
Now it.
We're going to
my
take,
stars.
Tom, what is it called? The Spirit of Harbour Town Dolphin Viewing Cruise, Sunset Cruise. It comes with appetizer, dinner, dessert, hopefully some dolphins. But it's fun because we were literally just here yesterday. So it's fun to be back and experience some new things.
Yeah.
That person up
Make
there
sure you pay your
doing
$9.
Look on their balcony. Red shirt.
Oh yeah.
Yep. No, we're not sure where to go.
Here's a boarding pass so we get through the whole party.
Great.
To get down this road, just take this walkway here where everyone's walking.
Okay.
Out around the
That's it. So we're going.
Yes.
On the boat.
Those pelicans are so cool.
Abella's already looking over the edge there. They're very cool.
One's a table, come take I mean, 30's coming up, so.
Mom made her bomb club salad, so I'm not in a salad mood, but this looks good. Salad. Are you checking yourself out? Oh my god. But everyone's got salad except Yash, because he has a special salad with no cucumbers. So I'm wondering if it'll be the exact same, except without the cukes. And then we're just hanging out waiting. We're still like backed up in the harbor. I think he was speaking over the intercom that we're holding here for a little while, but then we'll go out, and the time that we miss will be tacked on to the end. But that's kind of how we're just hanging, why we're just hanging out. Pasta primavera.
Thank you, Karen.
Pork. You're good. Mahi mahi. Chicken and chicken. Woohoo! And that is Dafuski Island that we're passing. We decided not to do a Dafuski Island tour this trip, but we're getting to see it now, so that's cool.
CG and she's
think they filmed in South Carolina, even though the Outer Banks are set in North Carolina. I could be totally wrong. Look at my little captain over there.
Wow.
Is that key lime?
Tacamoose.
Well, I want to try a little bit.
And everybody else got
Wow.
key lime.
Wow, bro.
It's higher than Florida.
It's nice.
So good. Wow. Very good.
Good. We flipped a Yui and we're heading back. It is very nippy. And it's drizzling very slightly. No dolphins, but I'm very excited to see the sun dip down a little bit too.
Exactly. How fun.
Just getting off our cruise.
That was a great time.
Wonderful. Thank you, Tom.
Thank you, Lion.
That was so fun. Sorry. You had fun?
Yeah, I had a great time.
So good.
Definitely recommend it. It was so fun. The food was delicious.
And we did not see dolphins, but yeah, the food was delicious. The company was great. If you come in March, it's cold to bring a jacket.
It was just, you know, like such a nice, relaxing night.